So we have something called AI-powered phishing detection, where we can stop even the most advanced phishing attacks. So as you can see here on the left, it's the same controls that we discussed. But what we do is we actually look at all the HTML content of a web page inline. We take form structure, domain age, referrer hosting, brand popularity, certificate information, post structure. And we use these as features in an ML model where all of this is fed into the ML model and the ML model spits out a decision if this is a phishing page or not. With this technique, we are even able to detect some of the most advanced phishing sites, which are using man-in-the-middle attacks, where the adversary has created an entire phishing infrastructure where he can actually front-end the entire website to the user, but on the back end, they are still transmitting, all those credentials to the actual website to give the user a very native end-to-end experience. But the user does not know that anything that is being entered on that front-ended website is actually being sent to the attacker. These attacks have become exceedingly common. In some of the recent attacks, the ones that happened over the last few months, we have seen this technique being used often and often, which is why this is a very powerful capability where we can even block patient zero phishing pages. How you use it is very straightforward. You turn on the knobs in advanced threat protection and all this AI ML capability starts working in the backend on its own. The next capability around AI powered detection and prevention is AI powered C2 detection or command and control detection. So we also created an ML model where we not only try to detect phishing, but we look at all the traffic and then we pass it through our machine learning engine to detect command and control. And once we can detect command and control, we can block it, but it also allows us to map out adversary infrastructure or discover new botnets. And there's some statistics here which will of course change, over time, which will go bigger and bigger. But on a daily basis, we are able to discover more than 100 botnets. But the important thing here to understand is that we also have the ability to detect and block unknown command and control, which is a very strong way to block any attack, because any attack that you see today, it will always use command and control, from the most commodity based attack to the most advanced attack. So blocking that, disrupting that command and control channel also allows us to block a lot of these attacks. To close this, I want to show a high level overview on how this all comes together. So the advanced threat protection capabilities allow us to create what we call an early warning system for your enterprise, where we take all these trillions of signals to train the AI ML models, and we provide more than 250,000 daily protection updates, 7 billion threats are stopped per day, and all of this happens because of all these capabilities working together, providing layered defense.